Hi guys, this video is just to take a closer look at the OneTigris EDC Pouch. Right guys, this is the EDC Pouch from OneTigris. It's a great product, very well made. And just in here I've just got my scanner antenna, just a little booklet on the instructions, but the options for this pouch are endless. You can get your phone in the front pouch, which is elasticated. I've got an iPhone 4S with a griffin case on and it fits perfect in that. Plus you can adjust it as well. It's got great zippers on it, don't get snagged at all, either one. Got molly attachments with very strong fastening studs, and the webbing so you can thread it through onto your bergen or your pack. This is made from 1000 denier. It's for the money guys, trust me, it is perfect. It is really good quality at a working man's price, affordable working man's price. Inside it's got big pockets, the net pocket in that side, and that side same size pocket with a nylon pouch in this side little pocket. The stitching is second to none. Look at the stitching. If you're thinking about buying an EDC pouch, this OneTigris tactical EDC pouch is definitely for you. Comes in a range of different colours too. So check it out guys, you will not be disappointed. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Absolutely great product. Thanks for watching, bye for now.